I'm Anna Salas, and I'm glad that you're here because it means that you've been to one of the summits at which I've recently spoken, and you've also opted in as a VIP. So I'm inviting you to a unique VIP only masterclass to prepare you for the winter holiday season. This could be very, very helpful for you if you have a diverse multinational family like many of us do these days, with lots of cultures coming together to share how the world works. This can be exciting, it can be wonderful, the food will be fabulous, but it can also be a little bit stressful. So I'm inviting you between November 23rd and January 10th to attend the masterclass. And then if you feel like you're going to get more tools and resources than you may already have for self-care, to invite you to a self-care Saturday that you can schedule for 30 minutes one-on-one time with me. Now, I've been doing what I do for more than 2 decades, and I've done it internationally in more than 13 countries. That's why I'm such a fan of diversity, but I also understand how challenging it can be. So look down below, check out all the information, find out everything you need to know, and schedule a self-care Saturday. You'll be glad you did. See you.